Hello everyone, today we're gonna cook some Korean food, Kimchi Jeyuk Bokkeum. For the sauce, you're gonna need soy sauce, mirim, sesame oil, sesame seeds, salt, pepper, oyster sauce, gochujang, and sugar. For the main ingredients, pork, Korean kimchi, 1 carrot, green onion, garlic, and onion. First, we're gonna cut half of a carrot, then cut it in two. Chop 1 onion, 1 or 2 garlic, then chop 1 green onion, then I'm cutting my pork in slices of 2 cm. Season your meat with salt and pepper. And put 2 tablespoons of mirim to remove the strong smell of pork. Mix it well. To make the sauce, you're gonna need 2 chopped garlic, 2 spoons of gochujang, 2 spoons of soy sauce, 1 spoon of oyster sauce, 1 spoon of sugar, and 1 spoon of mirim. Prepare your pan with 2 spoons of cooking oil and put it on high heat. Cook your meat until the water evaporates well. When the water is gone, making a space in the middle of the pan and put your onions. Stir it well until the onions are caramelized. Then add the carrots and the green onion. When the veggies are cooked, you can add your Korean kimchi. When the kimchi is caramelized, you can add the sauce. When it's cooked, you can serve it alongside rice and add some sesame seeds on the top. Now you can enjoy this delicious Kimchi Jeyuk Bokkeum. Thanks for watching.